Good morning, guys. Woo, it's already 91 degrees here in Florida. It's only 8 o'clock. But the pool looking good. Later on, I might jump on it. I gotta cut the grass. But I already started working on some stuff. Hold on, let me clean my lap. All right, guys. So what I'm doing, well, I got a couple things that I want to do here. I want to clean this area. Bro, this was on Craigslist. I bought that for less than $20. It works. It works amazing. This guy had a garage sale, an older charger, but it's working. Battery right now is at 20%. I'll be complete with that. But before I keep talking about this, hit like, hit share, subscribe. Let's get to it, right? All right, guys, hit like, share, subscribe, like I told you. So right now, my daughter's car, Anna. I'm so impatient. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Hit like, hit share, subscribe. I'm so impatient. Today I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. All these cars right here, and I'm very impatient gentleman. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like to have shit running and moving fast. And I'm sorry because I'm talking over those guys over there. But I'm very impatient, guys. So my daughter called me and said, hey, I want you to wait for me so I can do this with you. All right, cool. So then I got a hood, a bumper, and a fender over there. I mean, bumper and hood. I got this messed up hood. And all this is flapping around. So today, one of the things I'm doing today is coming around and replacing this hood, putting that hood. Then I'm going to put that hood with the other hood that I got over there. And then I'm going to grab that bumper. At least I'm going to put it here. It's not that I'm going to put all bolt together, but I am bolting these right here for now so it doesn't move. And then charging the battery because I want to drive the car. Car turns off on her once in a while. I want to know what that is. And then I want to wash the S2000. Then I want to finish the harness here that I started like 6 months ago. I haven't done it. And then turn around right here. This baby right here, you know, we went for a motor for it. I got to throw that away. Put the S2000 after I wash it. It's covered just like the CRX. Cut the grass. Put one more ground in Adriana's car. I will tell you about that. And then starts the bumper right here where this one is. And then, because in 10 days from now, I'm not going to be in the United States. I'm going to be traveling with the family on my vacation. So, and I'm going to put that for you guys so you guys can see it, enjoy it too. So that's what I'm doing today with all those cars out there. A lot of job, but I have to do it. My regular job is taking a lot of time for me. And it's not bad. Really, it's not bad. I'm doing, you know, I got an opportunity to run my own store and I love that. But before that, I had so many times I can play around, less time at work, more time I play, more time for YouTube. And now it's backwards. More time at work, less time for YouTube. But with you guys viewers, if you hit like and share and subscribe my videos, I will have that. So yesterday, me and Adriana got up in the morning, got my other GoPro, brand new GoPro 11. Somehow it's not transferring, it's recording, but it's not transferring to my editing videos. So I got all the footage, but it's not transferring to my video so I can put it on YouTube channel. This one works, my GoPro 9 worked very well, and I'm using this one for that. So, short story, the car was giving me 3 codes. A temperature code, was giving me a ultra sensor code, and it was giving me still giving me a crank sensor code. So we replaced the temperature code, that went away. Then we replaced the ultra sensor and the cam sensor. So the ultra sensor is still giving me the same problem. So I read and I want to do my research with the ground problem. I put the ground in a better place. Boom, that's gone. Temperature's gone. Now we still got the crank position sensor. Crank position sensor was doing the car's acting up. It's the brand new crank sensor put on, locked in place. The other crank sensor would turn the car on, so that means working. We're doing the same thing. So today I'm going to throw the ground. That might be the problem, the ground. I'm going to throw another ground on it. All this started when we replaced the starters. I don't know if the starter was so old that grounded everything around them, but we're gonna do that later on. I'm gonna put that on. And that video, I lost it. Basically, because it's not downloading in all that time that I invested recording, it happened. So today, this morning, I got up about 6 o'clock, got my camera, and I went at it. I went and opened the garage here. Yeah, I got shit here for some everywhere. And then I'm still missing a race car and then Integra. The Integra's in the storage room, and then the race car is in Miami getting painted. And I'm still missing my truck, which is coming from Japan, and that's in the other side of the world right now. And we did buy a Turismo, that's like a Lexus, Toyota Lexus. Should be here by September 29. We're gonna go pick it up, and I'm gonna put more footage of that. You've seen videos of him already in the truck already. And we might also get a Cappuccino, Suzuki Cappuccino. We are working on it. I put a couple bits on it. Hopefully I'm gonna check today, see if I want on it. If not, we can look for another one. Besides that, I'm gonna work on these cars today. This one's waiting for an engine and suspension work. After the 10 days, we're gonna go pick it up. I want to come back and we're gonna put that on. And then today I am putting that together. I am missing gaskets on that, I believe, but I'm not going in the muffler. But I am gonna do the ground, run it, cover it, leave it alone. Put the fender back, put the side skirts back because I painted them long time ago. I haven't put them back on it. And the same thing with the Volkswagen. I'm gonna put everything back together. Move the S2000 washer, move it around. I got some wheels all the way in the front of the gate that I might come back here because I got so much bricks. Well, not many right there. I got so many bricks right here. I don't know, maybe I can do a little pattern right here in the floor. And I can put it here so you can, or right there, I don't know. So we can do that. Besides that, you know, I own a pool, but bro, I'm not gonna lie, that pool, by tonight, that pool is like 110 degrees. And you can see the whole pool is shifting. So, cleaning everything yesterday, the pool looks amazing, looks clear. There's some debris there that I gotta clean, that's no problem. But, man, now it's cold. Now's the time to get on it. Ooh-wee. Nice and cold right now. But again, when I go on vacation, you guys are coming with me. It's a tradition that I do, that I have. It's a ducky over here. He always has a good time. All right, guys. All right, guys, welcome back. So right now, battery's still charging, about 20%. the new hood does have these right here. This is where your water's going, so I don't have to replace it. I can connect it here. For the electronic part, there is this right here. It's not connected to this one. So what I can do, if I should disconnect it from here, pass it through. I'm gonna leave that for another day. What I'm gonna do today is basically just to make sure all these parts that I got here don't go nowhere. Again, I'm going on vacation for 10 days. I don't want to make sure that all these parts that I got from the car, when I'm gone, don't go flying or there's going to be some missing. You know what I mean? Some adjustment has to be done, like right here. It's not going to happen because this is bent on the bottom, so it's got to go in a little bit. And after that, I can adjust it the best. So after I fix this, it's just the lip went this way. It's not allowing the fender to go back in there. That's not a problem. So one hood down. As you can see, this hood doesn't have that cover that this one does have right here. Just to save it. So it doesn't get damaged with water. I'm going to put it inside the chef for now. It does have other parts that we need. I'm going to put it away for now. So now the car at least is in one piece, more closed, good closed. Then I got to replace it. That's why I'm waiting for her. But in the meantime, I'm sweating like a dog. Check this out. Bro, I'm telling you, it's hot. In the meantime, we're going to check this bumper out. This is the new bumper. That's your bumper. Now, how can I... missing one sensor that I gotta take from over there and put it right here. Now this right here, it looks like I can use the screwdriver for this. I'm gonna try out real quick. Get the floor, guys. Like it'll take me a few minutes to figure it out, but this is broken from the accident, so this would be easy to take out. Oh, right here's the screwdriver. Hold on. I gotta get the screwdriver. One here, top here. This one doesn't have any. So. Get some filler. Alright guys, so I'm so stoked about this car. Believe it or not, I don't work on this side very often. But this car right here is giving me a jiggle. When I say jiggle, is that I can imagine this car, excuse me guys, I can imagine this car be like my CRX. With nice custom bolting, you know, all this rubber chain, all this done, nice and clean. So the battery's going to charge. It's lining already here. It's already lining, get it? Here, but all this, charge it, it's done what I want to do. I put some bolts here just to hold it in place. Now it looks like the car. Remember, this car had an accident in that corner. Now everything's closed, everything looks good. She got the headlights. The next video you're gonna see me, we are replacing this right here, and we're gonna fix that corner over there. Because if you see, it's kind of kicked. Yeah, but that's normal. But I'll show you in the next video. I don't want to talk to you too much about it. So if you like VWs, this is my first VW, not a Volkswagen, but the GTI that I'm working on is because, you know, when you're a father, you love your kids, you do whatever for them, you know? It's like this guy next to me. That's Manny's car. Later on, I'm going to work on it too. But this right here, woo-wee! Yep, we are almost on the way. I just, like I said, again, and if you're watching the video, I didn't work on nothing else. I just want to make sure the fenders are locked in place, the foot is locked in place, because if I leave, if this one comes through, this in the past that's happened. If fenders go flying, shit go flying, at least like this. Tight, all original, all together, the way I wanted it. So, the only thing I got left over to do is this part right here that we're gonna put them in the shed, keep them out of the way, and it looks amazing, you know. That looks amazing. I love it. Hopefully, we get to see more of it. And thank you for watching, guys. Love you. Woo! I put my logo right here.